This video is for any Ghanaian who owns the Ghana card or ECOWAS identity card. I came across a particular tweet on X and I think attention must be drawn to that. Let's read the tweet together. After that, we'll talk about it. So he said, a 25-year-old national service personnel, Jesper Kobina Mensah, has been arrested for stealing 303,950 Ghana cedis from a Stanbic Bank Ghana Limited account and investing it in cryptocurrency. Yes, this is not where my problem is. So reading further, I came across this and this is where my problem is. Police traced and arrested Kobina at his hideout in Ngwa, Accra. A search uncovered numerous devices linked to digital fraud, including mobile phones, 2 laptops, 108 registered SIM cards. Yes, this is where my problem is. How? Eban is saying, how come one person is able to register 108 SIM cards? Meanwhile, in 2022 November, the minister stated that one Ghana card can register up to only 10 SIM cards. So how come? Yes, you see where the thing is going to. So I came to advise my audience. After this video, follow these steps to check at least every 2 months to check the number of SIM cards that have been registered with your Ghana card or in the name of your Ghana card. Because your Ghana card can be used to register a particular SIM card without your knowledge, and someone sitting somewhere will go and cause a trouble for you. Yes. And put in mind, now with the digitalization and other stuffs, whatever you are doing with your laptop or your mobile phone and you think you won't be caught, please, let's avoid these fraudulent activities. Yes, so after this video, you pick your phone and dial *402#. You send to any network. It works for all networks. Now, when it opens, you select option 1, check SIMs. Now, the next step said, enter your personal ID number. But at this time, you enter it without the dashes. So the personal ID number on your Ghana card is the number starting from GHA. So you enter it without the dashes. After entering your personal ID number, you follow the prompt. 402 will send you a particular message via SMS, and this message contains the number of SIM cards that have been registered with your Ghana card. You go through the numbers. If a particular number in there is not for you, please, with those using Vodafone, you read out the code again, *402#. Then you select the link number, yes, so that you can delink the number. It wasn't working some time ago, but I don't know. You select the link. Better still, if you realize that a particular number is not for you, but it is being registered with your Ghana card, please don't just sit. Just move to the office, whether MTN or Telecel office. Then you delink the number before someone sitting somewhere uses your identity to do any fraudulent activity, and at the end, you're going to be in trouble. This is just a humble advice I'm giving to my audience. If this sounds like something you're interested in, don't forget to like, share, and follow so that you and I can improve our tech knowledge together. My name is Kwesi Highest.